Welcome aboard Google Cloud again. So today we're going to create a virtual environment with Python. So it's used to isolate package installation from the system. So you can isolate. So let's create a virtual env called vrenv. Let's get to activate that. So we just create a virtual env. Just activated that. That's the command. You get into the env, the bin, and activate. So right here we're going to clone a project. No, not that. Sorry. Let's clone the project. It's gonna be useful. We're going to store data into Datastore. Here we go. Let's create a different path to work on. I'll export an env dev shell project ID is the project ID. So let's install ls the requirements. So we're going to install Flask, Datastore, Core, and Google Cloud. Okay, pip install -r pip install -r and the name of txt, we usually call it requirements.txt. I often do that with the Jupyter Lab. So right here we're gonna run the server. So this should be the thing it's running. Here we go. What's running on the machine here? Okay, that's all I'd like to share. So we continue in the next lab. See you in the next video.